Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can get sample products for designing your website or designing your shop, designing your products, pages, etc. for WooCommerce before you install your new products you are going to sell. There is a way you can download dummy products for designing. So to do that, come to WordPress plugin here. Search for WooCommerce, then download. After downloading, go to your files. You will have this one. Then with that one, you click extract. After extracting, you will get a file like this one. Once you get a file like this one, double click, open it. When you have opened it, you will see these files here. There is vendors, templates, etc. So we have here sample data. Open it. Once you open it, you will see sample products. It will have like sample products here. So this is what we are going to use to upload on our. So go to your WP. First of all, what you have to do is to go to your tools, then click import. Once you have clicked import, come here and run importer. Once you have run the importer, then here it says import products from a CSV file. Then select the product, come to WooCommerce, open it, sample products, open it. Here are the products. Select that one, then open. After that, it says update existing products. We do not have any existing products, so you can either check or you do not check because you do not have. Click continue. Once you have continued, it will now give you all the products columns like the IDs, the type, SKU, name, publish, etc. Do not import this one. So it will give you all of this. So once you come to this page, to this one, like this one, run import. Then it will say your products are being imported. Your products, then it will be like that. Then you will have this import complete, 18 products imported, 7 variations imported, file uploaded, sample this. Then you can view your products. Here are the products which are imported. So now here you can start designing your shop the way you feel like using these imported products. In case you need anything, please comment, subscribe for more information like this. Thank you for watching.